Hi, welcome back to the Crow's Nest Railroad. Well, a momentous day. After 5 years, my 7.5-inch gauge train, the number 3 locomotive, and 2 cars are off to a new home. Wow, I get everything jammed into this little car. Can't believe it all fit. But gotta go pick up my friend Bob and let's head out. All right, Bob and I are out at the Maricopa Live Steamers Adobe Western Railroad. And we've got all the stuff unloaded from the car, and Bob's gonna head off west with the transfer table. This power transfer table makes it so easy to get equipment in and out of vehicles and up and down at various heights in the containers.
All right, you ready?
Around there. Wow, it's in, and thanks to my buddy Bob, the number 3 and the trailing cars have a brand new home here at the Adobe Western Railroad in Bob's container. Now this container has a collection of fabulous locomotives. This is Bob's beautiful Pacific and his Mogul. So my little electric outline is in some pretty heavy-duty company out here. While we're out here, we decided to do some chores, some preventative maintenance. Here on Bob's Mogul, this is a little pump. Every time the gear cycles, it spins and there's a little piston inside, and there's super thick, molasses thick oil in this little box, this pump chamber. And as the mechanism spins the pump, it forces oil to the cylinders on both sides and through a small little ball check valve. And if this isn't maintained and cleaned, what can happen is the high steam pressure in the cylinder can back up and push condensed steam or water back into the small oil pump, and of course that doesn't do you any good for lubrication. So that was our task today, is to check this out, refill this, check the valves on both sides, and get everything running. Well, the weather's perfect today. We're out here at Adobe Western. What do you say we turn the tables? I'll give Bob the video camera, and he'll put me at the controls on his blue switcher, and we'll go for a ride. All right, we'll get the 1017 all put away. And I gotta say, this has been a fun day. Bob and I got a lot done. He made room in his container for my number 3 and a couple of cars. That's gonna be just so awesome. You just can't believe how much effort that's gonna save me. I can just drive out with the car here and pull the train out. And we did some work on the Mogul, and we did some filming up at the museum, which I won't share with you this week. That'll be for some upcoming episodes. And then we took a ride on the 1017 on East Warner. So this is Stan saying thanks so much for joining us this week. I had a blast. Hope you did too. See you right here next time on the Crow's Nest Railroad.